Welcome back, my UAV understudies.
In this lesson, we're going to cover the basics of piloting.
Now, you might be as eager as a dog off-leash at a fire hydrant factory, but piloting a drone starts with baby steps. They don't give ninjas a katana on their first day of ninja school. So, let's start by looking at what the left joystick does.
The left stick controls the throttle, or how fast the propellers spin. Pushing up on the throttle lifts the drone into the air, while pulling down on the throttle lowers the drone. It can also make the drone spin in place. Spinning the drone is called yaw rotation. The right joystick controls how the drone maneuvers. With up and down taken care of, this stick can make the drone move forward and backward or side to side.
Your right hand has a lot going on. Moving forward and backward is called pitch. And side-to-side movement is known as roll.
These terms are used by pilots, engineers, and ship captains around the world because they make it easier to communicate how a craft is actually moving.
So instead of saying, the drone moved left, say, I'm rolling left. It's easier for everyone involved to know what you're trying to communicate. And let's be honest, you sound so much cooler.
Now, once you have the basics down, it's time to really hone your craft.
You're going to want to spend a lot of time practicing your flight skills, discovering everything your drone is capable of.
From obstacle courses to really nail down your first-person view, FPV racing talent, to new videography moves like the orbit or pan, learning the basics of flight is the first step in becoming a master pilot.
Across the globe, master drone pilots are strutting their stuff, mesmerizing spectators with FPV racing skills, or stunning audiences with breathtaking aerial videography. But these drone flights aren't one-person missions. To really make the most out of their drone, every pilot needs a dedicated team behind them.
If you're flying in FPV, you always need a spotter watching your back. Even if you aren't competing in the drone races on ESPN, a spotter is there to make sure you're aware of everything you can't see while you're zipping across the sky.
Spotters keep an eye on everything from geese entering the flight field to trees you might not see coming up. Just like air traffic control at the airport, it's the spotter's job to help the pilot from the ground.
With advanced videography drones like the ones used in million-dollar action films, there are actually two pilots flying the drone at the same time. One to control the craft, the other to control the camera.
On top of two pilots, these drones have an entire team working behind the scenes to make sure everything runs as smoothly as possible. You could even say these drones are more important than the movie stars.
Does this mean I'm getting my own dressing room?
No. What I meant was that these drones are super important and...
I always knew I'd be famous someday. These videos are my big break. You can find me in my trailer.
Wait, Rex, hold on! Ugh, not this again. While I go pry the diva out of his makeup chair, get ready for the next video where we'll dive into how drones work.